Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Just sort of giving a brief introduction about what this channel is going to be about and what you could expect from this channel going forward. Basically, in a nutshell, this channel is basically to help retail investors and students even get more knowledge about the markets and understand what's really going on and what are the main drivers of the market. The one thing to sort of remember, this channel is mainly going to be a news channel rather than giving tips. Maybe odd here and there could be some advice, but mostly it's going to be news, so it will give you a chance to collate all the news, obviously all the news that have gone in the entire week. I'll sort of collate them, the entire news, and to give a quick rundown every week. So this news could be used for obviously retail investors looking to obviously just make sure to keep on top of the markets. This is also great for students. Someone like myself who was in university a couple of years ago. The thing that you are missing is when you're always in lectures, you don't get a chance to keep up with news and different market events. So on the weekend, it'll be a good chance for you to come on my channel and sort of just watch the video to kind of get a rundown of exactly what happened in the last week that you missed. And again, that could help you prepare for your assessment centers if you're applying for IBs, if you're applying for asset management or hedge funds or whatever it may be. And so the main thing is opportunity for you guys to learn and get more detailed knowledge about the markets rather than obviously sitting on, say, a Bloomberg screen for Bloomberg news channel, for 10-20 hours a week. You could come on 5-10 minutes. Move on. I'll just quickly explain it from here. So it'll be 5-10 minute videos every week is my goal. Every Saturday I'll probably aim to post at 5 o'clock possibly. I'm gonna aim to just be at 5-10 minutes long, just so it's brief yet to the point, so it doesn't take out too much of your time, and it kind of allows you to get on with your Saturday. So that'll be weekly. It'll be in the form of a podcast. So I will look to sort of add it to iTunes and Spotify and all the other places, so you could just have a quick listen for 5-10 minutes and understand exactly what's going on in the market, especially during this volatile event. I'm sure there's people probably out there currently investing and not knowing what's exactly going on, and there's so much going on, so this will be kind of additional resource to sort of help you out on that. So just again, this channel is entirely about the stock market. Again, stock market doesn't mean, as I'm sure some people do know and some people don't, that even geopolitical events and other events, even if natural disasters, if you will, end up affecting the stock market. So anything that can affect the stock market would obviously be included in the news podcast that I release every week, and it will give you a chance as well to see, what's going on in the market, and potentially also, obviously, naturally, because I'm collating the knowledge myself, I would be doing it in a way in which I actually look at news and the way I interpret news. So you might get some tips if you're lucky, or you won't get directly tips, but you should be able to pick some things up potentially by the way I'm talking about what I'm thinking and what I'm deciding. But again, just to obviously give a disclaimer, this channel is not for giving tips. I'm not one of those Instagram people that's just putting up, I'll give tips and signals. I'll make maybe a detailed video on later on about that stuff, but you shouldn't really be believing those things. You should make your own decisions based on knowledge that you have, that you learn, and also just keeping on top of things. So this channel is going to help you to do that. So it'll give you the news, and it'll obviously give you some education if you're still a student, or even just somebody who's looking to dive into the market. I think right now is a really important time for everybody to have a lot more knowledge than they already do, because of the fact that there's so much volatility in the market. So that's pretty important. And so again, like I said, once a week I'm aiming to upload. I'll definitely actually be uploading once a week on Saturdays to give a weekly podcast exactly about what's happening in the markets and what to look forward to. Let's just go out of this. And obviously additional videos upon request is also I'll be looking and potentially looking to do that. So I just quickly pulled up a chart here of the S&P 500. As we know, obviously, since the market peaked in September, which was around 3-4 months ago now, we're nearly down at bear market territory. So bear market by definition is 20% from its peak. We are currently around 19.8%. So you could argue we're pretty much just touching the bear market, if not just about touched the bear market. So again, because of this, it is important that everybody knows how to play the markets out and what to do and how to prepare, because it could get ugly in the next couple of years. I'm not making any sort of advice or tips here, but you should be wary and cautious about what you are planning to do with your money, whether it's be cash, bonds, or in the stock market. Yep. So just lastly, to finish off, subscribe, comment, like, share as well if you've got friends that are also in the markets, and go around and let's all share the knowledge together. Obviously, we all know trading can be a lonely place. So, this could be a place where we all can communicate, and leave some comments down below if any additional videos you want to see. I'll probably release some couple of more videos in the next couple of days. And that's about it. Thank you for listening. Bye.